Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to create and verify your Binance account using just your mobile phone, and this works with your Android and iOS device. So watch this video all the way to the end as I walk you through exactly how to create an account, download the mobile app and verify your account the easy way. Okay, so here I am on my phone, on my mobile phone. So we're going to create an account on Binance and verify the account step by step. So follow me as I walk you through exactly what to do. So I'm going to click on the search on the top of the page and search for Binance. Binance app. So click on Binance app. And let's wait for the page to load. And this is the Binance app, where the second one that says Binance, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So click on install. I click on install and we wait for the Binance app to install onto my phone. So while the Binance app is installing, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, because in my subsequent videos I'll be dropping value-packed videos on how to make money on crypto, on CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch out my next video. Okay, so now that the app has finished installing, click on enable and click on open. Let's wait for the Binance app to open. So when the app opens, we are going to create an account and set up our wallet. It says, which type of user are you? Crypto novice, experienced user. So because we are newbies, because we are novice, we are going to click on the crypto novice so that we create an account from scratch and verify our wallet. It says sign up to get 100 USDT trading fee rebate. Enable passkeys. Add passkeys. Okay, I'm going to add passkeys. And that's I'm going to do with my fingerprint. So I'll place my fingerprint there, and this is it. And now my Binance account has been created. So to verify my Binance account so that my BTC transaction can increase. Okay, so once you click on your P2P on the Binance app, it's going to tell you to claim your reward, you must complete personal verification first. It says a beginner's guide to buying and selling crypto via Binance P2P. So click on verify now so that you can verify your Binance account and increase your deposit and transaction limit on the Binance app. So I'm going to click on verify now. And let's wait for it while it loads up. It loads up. Okay, it says complete verification to access Binance products and services. So click on where it says verify. Okay, it says get your identity verified to buy and trade on Binance. So click on where it says get verified. It's going to ask for your residence. Let's get you verified. Select your residence and follow the steps. So I'm currently in Nigeria, so it already put Nigeria here. So my residence is Nigeria. So let's scroll down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to load up a page like this where it says welcome to Binance. What is your name? So I'm going to type in my name, your first name and last name. Click on continue. Your nationality. And mine is Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria and click on continue. What is your date of birth? So I'm going to put in my date of birth starting from year a month, then the date. Click on continue. It's going to ask for your residential address, so I'm going to type in my address. That's my address. My postal code 500211 is my postal code. I will click on continue. It says document verification. Document issuing country / region. So my document is being issued in Nigeria, so Nigeria is already it's already there. So my BVN or my national ID. So I'm going to put in my national ID and click on continue. Enter your national ID number. So I'm going to get my ID number and put in here. So wait for me as I get that done. Now it says liveness check. So let them check my liveness if I'm here. It says take off your glasses, hat, or any items that cover your face. So I've taken off everything and I'm going to click on continue. It says allow Binance to take pictures and record videos while using the app. Click on that and click on continue once again. Okay, it's going to load up a page like this where I'm going to show my face.
Nod your head. Good. Blink your eyes.
Say verification failed. So I'm going to try again. So click on try again. I'm going to click on try again and try again verification. Continue.
Nod your head.
So I'm going to look for a perfect background this time. This is my face.
Good. Blink your eyes. Good. Shake your head.
It says verification completed. So click on close. It says anonymous user this in review. So wait for it while it closes. Let's click on verify again to see what Binance is going to say this time. Verification center is opening up. Okay, so now our verification is in review. Okay, so now our verification process is in review. So after some time, some hours, Binance is going to check your verification process and approve it. And once your account has been approved, you now have full access to the Binance services where you can buy crypto, store your crypto, or transfer crypto to other people, trade on the Binance app, and make money while doing this. So thank you once again for watching. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, because my next videos is going to be power packed, value packed, where I will show you different ways of making money online using the Binance app, using crypto, using affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Once again, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel.